Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to add an artificial intelligence bot to Telegram. It is a simple method that does not require anything. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. I thank everyone who supports me and everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you from the heart. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Telegram. After that, you write in the Telegram search engine. You write bot, AnyChat. You write this bot, click on it, then click on star or start. If it asks you to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to it for free. There is no problem now. Congratulations! Artificial intelligence has been linked to your Telegram. You can use it whenever you want and ask it about anything you want. Canada is the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write that in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.